Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Allay jump. First, understand that this technique allows you to reach new heights and cover more ground than a standard jump. It's all about timing and positioning with your helpful Allay companion. We'll cover the basic setup, how to execute the jump effectively, and some advanced maneuvers to truly master this exciting movement option. Get ready to elevate your gameplay. Executing the Allay jump requires precise timing. Begin by holding an item your Allay is tracking, then jump as usual. As you ascend, the Allay will give you an extra push, adding about 2 to 3 blocks to your vertical leap. For an even greater boost, release the item at the peak of your jump. This creates a momentary upward pull, potentially extending your horizontal reach by up to 4 blocks. Practice this sequence to get the feel for the timing. Once you've mastered the basics, try advanced Allay jump tactics. Combining it with a sprint jump can propel you across gaps of up to 10 blocks. For truly impressive distances, consider using multiple Allays, each tracking a different item, to chain your jumps and maintain momentum. This allows you to bypass obstacles up to 5 blocks high without needing to place any blocks. Remember, practice is key to perfecting these complex maneuvers and becoming a true Allay jump expert. To truly master the Allay jump, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in diverse environments, from open fields to treacherous ravines, to hone your skills. Experiment with various items for your Allay to track. Sometimes, a different visual cue can make a big difference. Always observe your Allay's position. A well-placed Allay means a more powerful boost. Finally, integrate this technique into your everyday movement. Soon, the Allay jump will feel like a natural extension of your character's abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.